to Write Assistant. As the name says, basically it helps you to write easier and better. If I'm gonna open this new task, I can show you. So let's say that I want to add some information here. Let's say a short checklist for project handover to a new project manager. Okay, so I'll paste it here, I'll highlight it, and this button appears and offers different use cases that can be done with this. If I click on continue writing, it's basically gonna then write about what is highlighted. And here it is. It's giving me this checklist that I asked it for. If I'm happy with it, I can click replace, and it's gonna be put here. I can edit it and so on. Another use case, you see there's some issues with writing here. I can fix the spelling and grammar with just one click and click replace, and then it will be okay. This is very useful if you don't want to bother about the spelling and grammar. You're writing a longer text and you just want to polish it at the end, and this is very useful for that. And then you can also translate some text into your own language as is set in the app, and some other use cases. So that is Write Assistant.